Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA ka Mausanram constituency uba HM Shangpliang haki Ktah kali jengkali jong kador barsen rai lapan pau ya ka jing slam ban Pyllait ya ka Pisa Jingïarap Shah ki long yeng long sem ki bala Shah Ktah bat Shah penjulor haki bor Mariang haki Bynta jong kathan ka baula mikman bat ki weki shnong ha ka baula ong badai ban shnapen bha ya ki yeng ki sem ki bala Shah penjulor ha ka Mariang Kumba ka sorkar ka dan jingtmu ban penyok Pisa ya ki yeng ki badan ha ka lengkishnong ki bala Shah penjulor ha ki benai baladem bat ukwa ru bantem la ka sorkar kala Pyllait ne em ya ka Pisa ban pentrei kam ha kishnong ki bala Shah penjulor ha ka Mariang Ula ong ru bakat kum ka jingatho jong uba kermen shella ubadai kmi ya ka tanat disaster management Ula ong ba ya ka Pisa lade ban Pyllait chiki district baper nadu uya yong hadu nailar Nakalyang uba kermen shella ula juba balade ban Pyllait ya ka Pisa kabala mang hapo East Khasi Hills kabalong shiklor tengkatam kabala Pyllait cheki deputy commissioner Shushu uba Shangpliang ula ong ba ki pat ba ki Shim lada ka sorkar ka penslem ban penbiang Pisa bat ka sorkar ka dei ban aino khamkloi ya ka Pisa knang ba ki bala Shah Ktah ha ka jing Shah shop ka bor Mariang kinyo ban maramot khamkloi ya ki jing julor Nagalyang umentri rangba Conrad ke sangma ula ong ba marsin yo ya ka jingtem babun ki yeng ha ka lengkishnong kila julor nagalyang ka jongki kila Shim khia ban penkloi ban a ya ka Jingïarap
Mr. Speaker, sir, answer to start question 31A, sir, the total number is 187. B, sir, 13,94,620 only. C, sir, an amount of 8,79,300 has already been released. An amount of 5,15,320 only is due for payment to the affected household.
Honorable Speaker, sir, seeing the number at 187 for the affected households, I would request the Honorable Minister to kindly place in the table of the House, sir, the list of these households, village-wise. Sir, coming to 31C, sir, the reply is that the amount of 8,79,300 has already been released. May I know, sir, to whom did they release? To the district or to the block, sir? And when, sir?
Sir, the amount has been released to the CNRD block so that they can release to the household department. So I have a detailed list here, sir. So village-wise, so may I read it, sir?
No, sir, I requested it to be placed.
Okay, sir. I have detail, sir. It will be later.
Sir, when was the amount released to the block, sir?
The amount, I have the date, sir. Please give me some time.
You have the date?
Sir, exact date, I don't have it with me right now. It's somewhere here, so it will take some time. So, yes. It was released on April, sir, and August to the DC.
Sir, we're getting two replies. One, the amount was released to the block, he said, and now he's saying that the amount has been released to the DC. So that may be corrected, sir. We want
yes,
a specific
Deputy
reply.
Commissioner, sir.
So now, from that balance amount also, sir, 5,15,000 is yet to be released even after 6 months of the calamity, sir. May I know the reason for the delay, sir?
Sir, we are waiting for the next meeting. So after the next meeting, we will release this amount, pending amount 5 lakh plus. So I give the assurance for that amount, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Balei. Mr. Speaker, sir, I just would like to get an information from the Honorable Minister. In the month of June this year, we had a lot of disaster in the constituency of Mausanram, sir. And the Honorable Chief Minister was kind enough to visit some of those places that were affected. Sir, there were about more than almost 200 names that have been forwarded by the BDO to the Revenue or the Disaster Management Agency for the release of the relief, sir. May I know what is the status of the relief to be provided to these people, sir?
Sir, I have released that we have released the amount to the till date. We have for East Khasi Hills we have released 1,36,93,610, and I have all the district wise, which we have released the amount, which is a total of 50 crores 26,17,098 rupees. Till date, sir, that is the amount has been released to all the deputy commissioners for the affected, for those who are affected through this calamity, sir.
So this morning I just cross-checked from the BDO, and he says that no money has been received till date. Nevertheless, I request the Honourable Minister to kindly look into the matter and ensure that the money that is released to the district also are sent to the block concerned, so that those money can be distributed at the earliest. People are expecting some relief. Normally, we hear from the Honourable Chief Minister saying that relief will be provided at the shortest time possible. But now, since the month of June, we are already in September, people will be deceived badly if they don't get the money on time. I request the Honourable Minister to kindly look into this matter.
The principal question is related to Bhairambong block. So kindly confirm your supplementary to that.
Yes, sir, we'll look into it. And just for the knowledge of the houses, I would just like to mention that the amount of rupees we used to release to all the deputy commissioner in every district. But in East Khasi Hills, we have released the amount of 70 lakh, that is for ex gratia payment and gratuitous relief, sir. So we do release the amount to the deputy commissioner for ex gratia and then for relief, sir, so that they can be utilized that money. But whenever there's a shortage of money from our department, we do send additional funds so that it can be utilized for the calamity, sir, whenever occur.
And you have a look for Mariang block also.
Yes, sir. We'll look into it, sir.
Sir, if I may just supplement the reply of the Honourable Minister. I'm sure he has given satisfactory reply to all the questions. But the point raised by all the members, sir, regarding especially house damage. Sir, recently we had a DC's conference about a month and a half, 2 months back. And one of the main discussions that took place in that meeting was regarding natural calamities, because that time we had recently had those natural calamities. And sir, in that meeting, we came to a conclusion and a decision that apart from the 25 lakhs which is given for general relief to the deputy commissioners, that there needs to be some fund parked with the deputy commissioners for immediate relief of situations, especially when it comes to houses being damaged. Because people cannot wait for the long process that takes place in terms of funds being released for the houses to be cleared. So that matter is being very seriously considered, and we are under process to figure out how we could put this the procedures in place and the necessary orders in place, so that there could be a specific fund that could be kept when it comes to the household damages. So the process is on in that, and this is something I just wanted to share with all the members, because we've seen that the house damages sometimes takes 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, which really is not effective and also not fair for the people in the long run. So I just wanted to mention that for the knowledge of the House.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.